can't tell you how many times I've finished editing a video, published it to TikTok, and then found out that some of the captions or the graphics that I'm showing on the screen are cut off by the different like profile icons or the like button or even the captions down on the bottom of the screen. It's something I almost never think about when I'm editing a video, and yet it is so frustrating when you put all this time into your edits and then find out that half the stuff is cut off by the different app icons and elements. Well, I'm going to show you how to never let that happen again using Minvo. So with your video loaded and the editor open up, we're going to come to the top where it says Hide Safe Zone. And if you click that drop down, you're going to see a couple different options. You're going to see the YouTube Safe Zone, the TikTok Safe Zone, and the Instagram Safe Zone. So for this example, let's take a look at the TikTok for right now. Now you can see all of these different translucent boxes and circle that show up on the screen. These are elements that TikTok puts on the screen that could potentially be covering up your video. So right out of the gate, when I'm looking at this video, I can see that my caption is likely going to get covered up by some of the content that is showing up on TikTok. And looking at some of these other ones, it looks like all of these other platforms are going to cover up my captions as well. So now before I hit publish on this video, I want to make sure that all of the elements that I have on the screen, whether it's emojis or captions or B-roll, whatever that's going to show up, I want it to actually be away from these safe zone markers. So I'm probably going to pull my captions up over here. That way I know I'm in the clear, I know I'm safe. My captions aren't going to get covered up by the on-screen elements. And if you're like me, it'll help save a lot of heartburn in the future. Comment down below if this video was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Minvo and video editing tips.